Nimish joins us to give us an insight into what's going on T-Street Chatter. Nimish, take it away.
Hi Nigel, and a strong day for the markets. In fact, it's been holding on after a gap of opening, so that's positive. And today is backed by FI buying as well. So I understand there's a basket buying at the leading FI desk, and this buying is across a lot of nifty names. So I guess that explains the kind of move we've seen in some of the large cap names today. Within sectors, a couple of sectors which stands out in terms of institutional buying. One is OMCs, big buying interest in the entire OMC basket today, and so is the case in the private bank stocks as well. So that's come as a bit of a surprise that a lot of private banks are well bid by large institutions. And having said that, while a lot of the IT names are under pressure, but there is selective buying back in IT names as well. So while the screen is not suggesting a big buying into IT names, but at least from a flow perspective, there is selective interest in the IT stocks as well. I guess after the 2 days of up move on Friday as well as in today, we're back to that again to that resistance level of 22,350 on the upside. So that's the level to watch. But from today's perspective, from a flow perspective, it's a strong day backed by FI buying.
In terms of individual names, Nimish, what are you picking up?
Well, a lot of individual stocks are buzzing in trade today, but in terms of individual stocks, the first stock on my list is Jio Financial Services. Post the quarterly update, that stock has seen a bit of traction, good buy flows as well. I understand a very large US long-only fund is an active buyer in Jio Financial of late and is bought today as well. So that's the first name. The second stock is Power Grid. Again, been consolidating in a narrow range of late, but for the last few days, there is a very high delivery-based marking happening. I understand some long-only funds are quite active as well. So again, in today's trade, you'll see a large delivery-based buying in Power Grid. So that's the second name. The third name is Excite. It's been a big outperformer in the last 15 days. Even in today's trade, it's up 5% at 52-week highs. But at these levels, some bit of selling seems to be creeping in. So looks like some bit of profit booking is clearly there from large institutions in Excite in today's market. And the last name is Biocon. Well, the stock is in a FNO band, but from a cash stock perspective, there is a lot of bidding interest from larger FIs in Biocon as well. So that's the reason why, despite the stock is in band, the stock is up 4%.
Nimish, on Jio Financial Services, anything, is it an anticipation or something? Because there's always a lot of chatter, right? I mean, they're launching out, they're rolling out this, rolling out that.
Yes.
And it is expected to happen, but the tie-up with BlackRock, etc. as well. Yep. So market is expecting that to be rolled out. Anything else?
Not really, Prashant. Nothing specific to the reason why the larger FIs are interested, but clearly from a positioning point of view, from a flow perspective, a very large US-based fund is an active buyer.
Nimish, thanks very much for that. So that's the list of stocks, as always, interesting, and we'll keep an eye out on these names in the next few trading sessions as well. Mitesh,